Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are good and doing great. Today I am wearing this niqab, three-piece niqab, basically three-piece niqab, and with this cap. As you see in my previous video, this cap is looking so amazing on head. Let's get start the tutorial. I'm wearing this cap and putting this three-piece niqab to do niqab. Sorry, fumbling, so much fumbling. Putting this niqab. Tell me guys in the comment section that from which country you belong, from which country you watching my video. Putting it, putting a knot here. Oh my god, I'm looking like a princess. Just joking guys. Don't take it serious. Muslim princess. Yes, I am. And this is the niqab piece which is attached to it, and like this I am pinning it up and going outside. Here is a pin and I am pinning it up. Ooh. This is looking good, amazing. And I'm putting the first layer and this is the second layer. Oh my god, this is the first and this is the second layer. Actually I am wearing only one layer, like this. Is it looking good? Tell me in the comment section please. Bye bye. Like this video, like this video, like this video, make sure. Bye bye.